SpaceX smashes its own records with historic 500th Falcon 9 launch. In a groundbreaking achievement, SpaceX launched its 500th Falcon 9 rocket this morning, July 2nd, setting a new high for its reusable technology. This milestone mission flew off at 2:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 6:28 GMT, from the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida, carrying 27 Starlink satellites. These satellites join the vast array of SpaceX's Starlink network, aimed at offering global broadband internet access, especially in remote locations. But here's where it gets exciting. The reusable Falcon 9 rocket not only completed its trip into space, but also made its 29th successful landing, an impressive feat showcasing the durability and reliability of SpaceX's technology. This record-breaking accomplishment makes this stage the most frequently recovered by SpaceX, surpassing any other first stage in their fleet. To put this in perspective, it's the 472nd successful landing of a Falcon 9 first stage since 2015, and adds to the 439th reuse of a SpaceX rocket. And this is the part most people miss. The Starlink constellation is not just a collection of satellites. It's the largest network of its kind, delivering high-speed internet to tens of thousands of users around the globe, particularly in places where traditional broadband is inaccessible. SpaceX's journey began with the inaugural Falcon 9 launch on June 4, 2010. Since then, the vehicle has evolved through 5 significant upgrades, with the current Block 5 variant standing as a testament to its capability in launching satellites, engaging in robotic planetary missions, and ferrying astronauts to and from the International Space Station. Out of all 500 Falcon 9 missions so far, an impressive number have achieved complete success. What do you think about SpaceX's relentless progression and the reuse of rocket technology? Do these milestones change how we view the future of space exploration? Share your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments below.